Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with two things: a phone that can share data and a client device ready to pair. First, make sure mobile data is on and you have a signal. Then enable Bluetooth on both devices and set them discoverable so pairing is possible. Next, open Settings, navigate to Connections or Network, and tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Once there, toggle Bluetooth Tethering on. This starts the service and advertises the connection. You're now ready to pair the client device. With Bluetooth Tethering active, you must pair the devices. On the client device, open Bluetooth settings and search for nearby devices. Select your phone's name when it appears. You'll see a PIN or passkey prompt. Confirm it matches on both devices to secure the link. Once paired, do not assume internet is automatic. On many systems, you must select the phone under Network or Bluetooth device settings and enable internet access or profile tethering. After that, your client should route traffic through the phone's mobile data. To finish, confirm the client shows a connected status and an assigned IP address in its Bluetooth or network details. That proves the path is live. If there's no internet, first toggle Bluetooth tethering off then on, and repair the devices if needed, because profiles sometimes fail. Also make sure data roaming or APN settings aren't blocking access. Keep in mind Bluetooth tethering uses power and is slower than Wi-Fi. If speed or battery matters, switch to USB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.